Once you've published your first referral campaign, you'll be taken to your GrowSurf dashboard. This admin dashboard is your centralized view of seeing how well your referral program is doing, and it's where you can see your top participants at a glance. With analytics, you'll be able to gauge the health of your campaign and measure its effectiveness. You can see the total impressions, participants, and referrals based on a specific time frame. Within campaign performance, you can hover over these labels to view the definitions of each metric. On the right-hand side, you'll be able to see some key insights, as well as channel performance, which helps you understand which social channels your participants are sharing on the most. At the end of the day, analytics make it easy for you to understand how well your referral program is doing. When you scroll down to the participants section of your dashboard, you'll be able to see your top referrers at a glance. This is where you can add participants manually or import your existing customer list by uploading a CSV file. You can download your participants list at any time by clicking the Download button. The top right More Actions icons will provide you with additional options, such as deleting your participants in bulk. In the participants list, the source column will show you if the participant was referred by someone. If your campaign is using a custom event referral trigger, you'll also see if their referral status is pending or complete. If you scroll to the right of the table, you'll be able to perform more actions on an individual participant, such as managing their rewards or removing them from your campaign. Your dashboard will always show you when you need to perform certain actions. For example, in this campaign we see that we have 3 fraudsters that we should check out. Additionally, there are rewards that we need to either approve or mark as fulfilled. By clicking on a participant from the list on your main dashboard, you'll be taken to the participants detail page. This is where you'll be able to view more granular details of the participant, including the person's stats, details, and activity. Within the Details section, you can add private notes, or view and edit any custom metadata that was saved to the participant. When you click the Activity tab, you'll be able to see an activity log of all their relevant actions and events pertaining to your campaign. This includes how they entered your referral program, what social channels they shared on, and what GrowSurf emails they received. You can manage the participants' rewards by clicking on the blue Manage Rewards button. This will open a window where you can view the details of each reward the participant has unlocked, including the referral trigger event and the full reward details. Depending on what level of automation you set for fulfilling rewards, you'll be able to update each reward status by clicking the Approve Reward and Mark as Fulfilled buttons. Lastly, GrowSurf also lets you assign referrers to participants manually. This is helpful in customer support scenarios where you need to retroactively assign a referrer to someone so that they get referral credit. You can do this by clicking the top right More Actions drop-down icon, and clicking Assign Referrer, then typing in the referrer's email address or GrowSurf ID. Once a participant has a referrer, you can click the Pending Action icon next to their referrer source to trigger a referral on behalf of the participant. This button will only show up if your campaign is using Custom Event as the referral trigger. One example of why this would be useful is if your participant was referred, but then made a purchase offline. You could then trigger the referral on behalf of this participant, which will unlock the reward for the referrer. Any GrowSurf emails or automations that you have enabled will then be triggered.